Hey folks, this is Jim with Jim and Robin Adventures. Today we're going to talk about our pulling vehicle, the F150, the Ford King Ranch. Today we have an issue that we're going to resolve with a very cheap 3-4 minute job. The two-wheel to four-wheel system, the IWE, the inner wheel exchange hub to go from two-wheel to four-wheel, works off a vacuum system. And a very common part, a check valve, comes with a hose 2-3 inches long. Very simple 2-3 minute job. And we're going to show you real quick how to resolve this grinding noise that's coming from the left wheel during acceleration. Very simple fix. Okay, so here is your vacuum box. This is the check valve that fails. This tube connected to the check valve comes into the vacuum solenoid switch. So right here we have a vacuum line, a vacuum line, and a vacuum line. And these hoses look a little old. This valve is normally what fails. And we just bought this part from Ford. Here's the part number. It's a Ford part. We're going to go ahead and replace this, 1, 2, 3, and give it a test drive. Now I've already loosened this up to make it easier for the video, but you need 2 hands to do this. And because you're dealing with plastic parts, don't be so rough on it. All right, that's all it took to take it out. This is the old model, this is the newer model, the upgrade. It automatically, you don't have to ask for an upgrade, they automatically did that. So we're going to go ahead and install that and then give it a test drive. Okay, the new part is installed. Now just remember, be careful, these are plastic clips. And going in, you want to make sure you have a finger behind this solenoid when you're pushing in this connection and make sure that it's flush. All right, real easy fix. It's a $23 part, comes with the hose. Don't try just getting the check valve, which is like $8-10. Just get the whole hose assembly from Ford. $23 it was, and it was a real easy fix. We're gonna go give it a test drive and resolve the issue. All right. We just did about 20 miles on the highway from speeds starting at 30, 40, up to 70, 80 miles an hour, and the grinding noise has disappeared. So folks, if you want a real easy, inexpensive fix, and it's a wear part, so it's not covered under your warranty. It is not covered under warranty no matter what you say. You will be charged a diagnosis fee, and then you'll be charged labor and parts. So this is a real inexpensive way to process elimination to get rid of a grinding noise on an F150. We have a 2018 King Ranch. The problem comes, I think, between 2013 and 2019, and this will resolve the issue for any F150. Thanks for listening. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Enjoy your travels. Jim and Robin Adventures.